Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to Mark II Wrench Time. Rad Savers. Yes, Rad Savers. That is the Quantum. So, the only video on the Quantum so far has been the acquisition of this Quantum. This came from Idaho. I bought it and drove it back from Idaho to Annapolis, Maryland after a work trip to California. Lots to go over on things that need to be repaired on this video. So we are going to fix all the little things and some a little bigger things on this car that need to be addressed before we start using it on the regular. Let's get into it. Okay, step one here. We got back from a 2,400 mile trip, sat overnight in a storm, and now we have a no start condition with some things that sounded like timing, like a backfire and stuff. So the timing belt was just done, which gave me a little bit of pause, like, holy crap, did they not tighten it and did it skip a tooth? But it didn't really sound like that. Look at this. I mean, I have no idea how this car ran with a rotor like that. So we're just gonna go get a cap and rotor and I suspect drive this car again. Ein Stück. See if it's the same one. We might as well just go ahead and change the cap too, eh? That little guy right there held this up. That little guy right there held this this muffler onto the car for 2,400 miles on the way home. That's it. That's all that was holding this up. Wow. Okay, the next problem with this car is the odometer. I bought this car with 92,624 miles on the odometer and then drove it across the country. It still says 92,624. This is a very, very common problem with these cars. I'll show you in a second when I get it apart. There's a little gear on a shaft, and when the gear splits, the shaft doesn't turn the gear anymore, and those things don't move, so it doesn't count. I believe Marcelo when he says that this is approximately what the mileage was when he bought it in 2022. It worked for a while after he bought it, and then it stopped working. So this is very close to what the actual miles on the car are, plus about 2,400 that I just put on it. I figured I would take the instrument cluster out and go about repairing the odometer, the odometer, if you will. On that right side, this cluster is not fastened behind there. All right, let's see what we can find here. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. See if they're all the same. What does that mean? Okay. Audio box. There we go. Cool. So none of this has to be taken apart in order to get the instrument cluster out, which is a little bit different than the Mark II Jettas and Golfs. There we go. Victory is mine. Let's get. I gotta get inside.
I gotta get inside.
Ooh, extraction complete. Okay, I got the printed circuit board off. These are very delicate and extremely hard to get the right one. There were a ton of these things, tons of different variants. Now we see if it works. Very good. Boy, that's ugly. Boy, that's ugly. We are not professionals. This is not a how-to video.
Watch that finger. Pull down.
I'm gonna lose it. Wrong kind.
We got that. In there and pull it forward. See how many miles left.
Okay, just gotta take care of this axle now. That's made it 2,400 miles like that. Cool. Okay, the dipstick tube is preventing the axle from moving up, and that's how you get it out. So rather than trying to take all of this apart, I know I'm gonna regret this. I'm going to gonna open up this dipstick and drain what I hope is transmission fluid out of this. It's reddish. I really hope this doesn't end this transmission. Oh, is there a frog on the...
Is there a frog on there?
A toad came back? He was inside the vehicle,
that
guys.
Asshole came with us all the way to Napa and back yesterday.
Shut up.
I swear to God, Keegan's got a picture.
They thought he left. He's back.
Wait, is that another one though?
It looks blonder than the one you had. That was
Yeah.
a different. You got a whole.
Was there? They do change colors. I wonder if that's a family of toads in the car. There could.
Do they live in families?
I don't know.
They got a hump. They got to make other toes. Tires are good. Ish.
2011.
Tires are meh, and the axle's even more meh. She drives nice though.
Transmission's nicer than the BMW automatic.
Yeah.
I like it low to the ground. I like the sight
than the convertible with the automatic.
Quantum power. Stupid people doing stupid shit. I see you, stupid.
All right, quantum repair is complete. So this car is perfectly serviceable. We're probably going to swap the wheels, these wheels, with the ones that are on the original E30 BMW. They're the same size and bolt pattern, so might as well, because they've got newer tires on it, and I'm not really driving that car. We're going to take the transmission out of it and put it in the newer of my two E30s. We're going to do that and drive around with some BMW snowflakes on this 1986 Volkswagen Quantum. If you are enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. If you want my Mark II Jetta, formerly turbo diesel, but soon to be normally aspirated diesel, for $1, price has been reduced, please head on over to mark2.tr3wrench. That's mk2.tr3wrench.com. Fill out the form, let me know you want the car. When we get to 2,000 subscribers, we will be selecting one of you to buy the car for $1 now. It's down to $1. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time on Rad Savers.